Hello, I'm Lisa Turlington, Dean of Advancement here at Sampson Community College, and one of my favorite projects for the Foundation is the recognition of staff and faculty for their extraordinary work through the Excel Awards. Each year we ask colleagues to nominate peers for exceptional work or an engagement that goes above and beyond expectations in the workplace and in the community. It warms my heart to read the beautiful nominations, and it gives me and the Excel Selection Committee a chance to really see firsthand the great work being done by my friends and co-workers. Thank you to those of you who took the time to speak out on behalf of your peers. This year we had more than twice the number of recommendations ever, and all of them were great, so the committee had a really tough time deciding on the winners. Therefore, they decided to recognize 2 additional finalists, and it's my pleasure to announce those finalists. Myra Gray, whose nominator mentioned her work ethic and dedication and commitment, and Britt Honeycutt, whose enthusiasm and creativity make her a favorite of students and a go-to for community projects. Congratulations to these Excel finalists. And now for the Faculty and Staff 2020 Excel winners.
Dr. Sabrina Pope is certainly deserving of the Excel Outstanding Employee Award. She exemplifies excellence and professionalism as a leader and a team player. She always goes above and beyond her assigned duties to make sure that our division is at its best. She's teaching, she's advising, she is mentoring, and she does it all with ease. She's always engaged in personal and professional development to enhance her role as an educator. In fact, she was our very first faculty tutor. She also created a formal mentoring program to help the transition of new faculty from the practice to the education setting. Her leadership extends far beyond Sampson Community College. She's working with the youth in her church. She's instrumental in Sampson County's branch of breast and cervical cancer preventative initiatives. She helped to establish a nursing sorority here in Sampson County. The list goes on and on. But the thing I most admire about Dr. Pope is she rarely has to be asked to complete a task. She is always present, usually the first to arrive, the last to leave. She is intuitive and willing to go the extra mile to make sure that everything goes well. Congratulations, Dr. Pope, on an honor that's well deserved.
I'm delighted to share with you a few comments from the nomination for the SCC Staff Excel Award for this year. If you're fortunate to have this person answer your outside call, you will hear in a sweet, soothing Southern voice, "Sampson Community College, how can I help you?" regardless of what is going on around her for that day. This person began her employment in SCC's evening division, where she truly lived the words of burning the midnight oil, as most often it was midnight before she left to go home to her family. And I bet she did it with a quiet spirit, just as she does today. She wears many hats in her current position. Those would include the SAC COC Queen. She's going to need to be reinvented when she retires. The Survey Master, Event Planner, Correction Officer of Messes, Official Note Taker, and a Listener. She is like a lighthearted person who enjoys joking and pulling one over on you. She is so serious in her escapades, one believes her words are true until that smile appears. She makes the bad days good and the good days even better. She is kind, caring, supportive, nurturing, funny, and on most days, she's no more than 5 minutes late for work. So congratulations, Angie Warner, on SCC's Excel Award for 2020.
Faculty and staff to thank the foundation directors who for so many years have provided both financial input and support to the institution as we have been able to recognize our own staff and faculty among us that we deem are recognition for their outstanding work. This year is no different than years in the past. We're surrounded by people who have committed so much of their life and so much of their energy to make Sampson Community College the special place it is, and continue to make this a special place for the students and their lives that are improved with our collective work. But this year we have the opportunity to recognize two people who are runners-up and will be back competing again, I'm sure, next year. Britt Honeycutt and Myra Gray. Both are very well integrated into our campus culture here. Their energy, their enthusiasm, their smiles are people that we just look forward to being in and around each day, and we would like to recognize their accomplishments as the interview committee did, I'm sure, when they had an opportunity to meet with them. But we paused to give special recognition to our winners this year, someone I have worked with for so many years, Angie Warner, who has been almost as if extended family to me, and for most of you, probably the same types of feeling. I don't know anyone who exemplifies a commitment to each of us and to this place any more than Angie has. Sabrina Pope is recognized for her commitment to her students, for her excellence in teaching, and for the way in which she continues to transform the lives of people who go through our nursing program and seek this career. So on behalf of all of us, on behalf of the faculty, staff, the trustees, and again, on behalf of the board of directors for the foundation, congratulations to everyone. We look forward to the continued work of these people and the opportunity to recognize each of you next year. Thank you and have a wonderful year.